So good morning. Hope you are doing well. Uh, Today we're going to see how to install Pygame, and also I'm going to run a Hello World program in Pygame just to give you a glimpse of how Pygame works. For this, I will assume that you have already installed, Python in your PC, and to check if Python is installed or not, I will leave a link in description to know if you want to know how to install Python in your PC. So just type Python and it's going to be hyphen capital V, which will give you the version of Python that you're currently running. I'm running 3.8.2, and then you have to give us pip install pygame. It's going to be pygame. So pip install pygame. If this will install pygame, you have to be connected to the net. This will install pygame in your PC. Like I have mine already installed. It's giving requirement already satisfied. Pygame is already installed in this location, so I need not worry. For you, it's gonna download like a file of like 4 MB or something. After the download, it will be installed. So next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna run our first Hello World program in Pygame. Okay, let me just close this command. Open ideally, and yeah, let's create a new file. And you just bring this here. Okay, let's create a new file. And what we're going to start with is we're going to do something. First, we're going to check if Pygame is installed. For that, you have to go to the shell, import Pygame. If you do not get any error, that means your Pygame is installed. So you can see here, it's showing Pygame 1.96 hello from Pygame community. So it's perfectly installed and it's working. Next, what we have to do is go to your new file. We're gonna do an hello world program. So this just brings up a window of the game. Example, I'll just type it. You can go along with me. So I'm gonna give import pygame, and then I'm gonna import system also. That's this. And then I'm gonna what do is from you have to import all the methods modules in the Pygame. For that, you have to go from pygame.locals. We're going to import everything. For that, we're going to give star. Star means it's going to import everything. It's going to be import. Okay, import. I'm going to give star. So this will import every model from Pygame. So that you need not keep on specifying pygame.locals. You can just give Pygame. Then you're going to initiate Pygame. Okay, pygame.init. It's a method. This will initialize Pygame. Then you have to create a surface. So surface is basically one part which will be like displaying in the top. So that surface is the thing that's going to be in front of you, which will handle all the objects on top of the surface. Everything moves on top of the surface, right? Like the same way. So let's just create a surface. So for this, I'm just giving the name as surface. The command is pygame dot display dot set mode. So for now, I'm going to give my own values. Okay, it's a tuple of maybe 400 and 300. Okay, basically this tuple is the length and height in pixels that you need not be worrying about. After this, what we're going to do is, so if you're not specifying this tuple, the window is going to maximize to whatever resolution monitor you're running on. For now, let's just keep it as user like what we defined. Okay, next we're going to set caption. So for that, pygame dot display dot set caption. Okay, and the caption is a thing that shows up. Like here it's untitled because I didn't save it. So this is what it's going to show. This is the caption for any window. So here it's Python 3.8.2 shell. So this will be the caption for our game window. Okay. So it's going to be set caption. Okay. Set caption is going to be hello world, hello world. And I'm going to close this. So this will set the caption for our window. So we got the surface, we got the name of the window. Now what we have to do is we have to run a game loop. So a game isn't a sequence. It's like it is a loop. Games are always loops. Okay, it just runs in loops. So we have to start the main game loop. For that, we're gonna give while true. So let me just comment that this is the game loop, and then so next is we're gonna get event. So event is something. Now if I'm moving my pointer here, so this is an event. If I'm clicking here, it's an event. These uh, things done by the user is called the event. The input that the user gives is called an event. So we have like Pygame has a method where like it gets all the events that has done till that method is called. So for that, we're going to give for, and it's going to save it as a list. So I'm going to give for event in pygame dot event dot get, and yeah, pretty much. So this pygame dot event dot get will give you a list of event that has happened in the window, and we're going to iterate over this list, and we're going to, for each iteration, we're going to keep it as event. We're going to save it as event so we can use it for our queries. So if event dot type is equal to quit. So quit is basically a constant. This cross mark here, this is quit. Okay, this is a constant for all the windows, and so we're going to check if this event from the list is a quit or not. If it is a quit, we have to quit the game. For that, pygame dot quit, and it's a method. Okay, so we're going to give brackets. Then sys dot exit. We have to exit the window also from the pygame. Then what we have to do is come out of the for loop. Then pygame dot display dot update. This is not necessary for this program, but this is going to be literally this is going to be skeleton for every program that you're going to write. You're going to have all these statements always in every Pygame that you're going to write from now on, and make sure that I'm going to make sure that every day I'll put up new tutorials for you people, so you need not worry. And yeah, so this is the code. Let's just try and run this. Must be saved. I'm gonna give this as let's just go this to my hard drive and save it here, and just give it as F. Okay, so yeah, we got this running. Oh, we got an error. So it's telling pygame.display has no. Okay, it is not only set mode. You have to have underscore set mode. Okay, I think there's no bugs. I'm tired of these errors. Please don't give me. Yes, so we got the window. It's down here. Okay, so this is the window that I'm talking about. Let me just bring this up, and yeah, you can see import py, like from here we initialize, we get the window, then we create the surface. This is a surface. This thing is a surface. It's always black. The default value is black always, and the display set caption hello world. We got it hello world. If you want, we can change it, whatever, hello world, coder, whatever, and we're gonna get the same thing. Let me just save it and run. There you go. You got this as hello world coder. Nothing fancy, just simple code. And yeah, if this one, we're gonna check this. We're gonna event.get. So we didn't give any code for clicking or something. We just gave code for this close button. Okay. When I click this, it has to exit. So it's going to exit from here, and it's going to also exit here also. So we got the new thing, that's it. Sys.exit will exit from the shell and everything. And this is pretty much useless for now, but this is a main part of skeleton, which we will be using in the upcoming tutorials and everything. So that's it for now. If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe. I'll be putting up daily content like this, and we will be heading towards making 3D games. First, we'll finish off with 2D and then create 3D games. I'm going to give you in detail everything that you require to make games. Okay, please do subscribe my channel, and yeah, whatever doubts, queries, leave a comment. I will make sure I'll reply you. So thank you all for watching. Thank you.